Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and dealing with that annoying Venmo card declined message, you're in the right place. Venmo is a super convenient way to send and receive money, but sometimes your card gets declined for reasons like insufficient funds, outdated info, or even bank security flags. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes to get you back on track. This guide is tailored for the latest Venmo updates in 2025, so let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your card balance. Open your banking app or website and ensure you have enough funds. It's easy to overlook this, but it's the most common culprit. If everything looks good there, move on to step 2. Double-check your card details in the Venmo app. Go to your settings, find the payment methods section, and verify that your card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered correctly. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause issues. Next, make sure your Venmo app is up to date. In 2025, Venmo might have new security features or bug fixes, so head to your app store and update it if needed. This can resolve glitches that lead to declines. If that doesn't work, contact your bank directly. They might have placed a hold on your card for security reasons, especially if it's a new device or location. Explain the situation, and they can lift any restrictions. Another key step is to enable any required permissions in Venmo. For instance, make sure you've verified your identity if prompted. Venmo often requires this for larger transactions. If you're still having trouble, try using a different card or linking a new payment method as a temporary workaround. To prevent this in the future, always keep an eye on your transaction limits and monitor for fraud alerts. And remember, if you're using Venmo internationally, check for any currency or regional restrictions that might have been updated in 2025. There you have it. Easy fixes to get your Venmo card working again. Give these steps a try, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.